In this video, I'll compare three well-known brokers: Swissquote, Dukascopy, and Interactive Brokers, so you can decide which one matches your trading style. We'll cover platforms, fees, markets, and who each one is best suited for. Let's start with Swissquote. Swissquote is both a Swiss-based bank and a broker, giving it a high level of trust and regulation. It offers MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and its own proprietary advanced trader platform. You can trade forex, stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Execution speeds are fast, averaging about 9 milliseconds, and fixed forex spreads start at 1.4 pips. The trade-off is that fees can be on the higher side, with custody fees of 0.025% per quarter. It's a solid pick for beginners who want a safe, regulated broker, and for high-volume traders who value stability. Next is Dukascopy. Also headquartered in Switzerland, Dukascopy operates as an ECN broker known for tight variable spreads, as low as 0.1 pips on EUR/USD, plus a water commission per lot traded. It offers forex, CFDs, crypto, and binary options. Its J4X platform is powerful, with advanced charting and support for automated and algorithmic strategies, but it's not the most beginner-friendly. Dukascopy is best for traders focused on low-cost forex and algorithmic trading. Finally, we have Interactive Brokers. This is one of the largest brokers in the world, with access to over 2 million tradable instruments, including stocks, ETFs, options, futures, and forex. Fees are among the lowest in the industry, with commission-free U.S. stock trading and raw spreads starting from 0.0 pips. There are no custody fees, and its trader workstation platform is powerful and feature-rich, although it can feel overwhelming for beginners. Interactive Brokers is a top choice for experienced traders while seeking low fees, deep market access, and global reach. Which should you choose? Swissquote. Best for beginners wanting a secure, regulated broker with a simple interface. Dukascopy. Ideal for forex traders who value low spreads and algorithmic trading capabilities. Interactive Brokers. Perfect for professionals who want low fees, advanced tools, and access to almost every market worldwide.